Hello, welcome to this guide on how to start an affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you act as a middleman promoting other businesses' products. You can see the other business as the merchant and you as a salesman, but unlike normal salesmen, you are not paid from the get-go. Rather, you are paid for every referral you make. So, as an affiliate marketer, making a website is an important first step. I use a tool called Wealthy Affiliate. So you can join Wealthy Affiliate. I have an affiliate link in the description. I really suggest joining. Okay, so anyways, with Wealthy Affiliate, you create an account. Once you have the account, you have this social media, kind of like Facebook, where you can ask questions, etc. But there's also training. The old training is here, and it is good. But the current training is in what's called the hubs. Now, you have a hub for each website you make on Wealthy Affiliate. These are my websites. So, one website I'm building is here. So, you are given access to your back office and all that. The training is here. And it goes over things from getting your website set up for SEO, the rules of SEO, and so on and so forth. Next, you are also given these suggestions on blog posts to write that are optimized for SEO. And you create a list of potential blog posts you want to make. Anyways, before you get the blog post, you need to create a website. That's the next step. So on Wealthy Affiliate, there's a site builder. You can register a domain, or if you have a domain, you can build your website on it, or you can start with a free domain. So I'll just call this website testing, just because this one isn't permanent. Okay, so then you choose a theme. If you have a free starter account, you're given access to generate press. But if you join Premium or Premium Plus, you can choose any of these themes or more than what's displayed here, and you can build your website. Okay, so next you build your website. Okay, so after you have your website created, content is king. So the next step is content. To create content, one thing you can do is keyword research. Let's say you are reviewing wireless headphones. What you would do in your website is make both informational and transactional content. To get your website to rank, you need informational content because it shows Google that your website is helpful to visitors. Helpful content is what Google wants. Okay, so here, wireless headphones brings in an average number of searches, 64,363. This is how much potential traffic you could get. This is how much competing websites that search term has, 195, and so on and so forth. But you can also look for long tail keywords, such as this. Now there's only 16 competing websites for that. But anyways, let's look at an informational keyword. Wireless headphones benefits. This is what's known as a long tail keyword. Long tail keywords have less competition. Okay, so this one doesn't have much searches. You also got to make sure that the keyword makes sense. Wireless headphones, wireless headphones. So anyways, wireless headphones comparison. This keyword only has 17 competing websites. So anyways, okay, I gotta change my password, so if you saw that, that's okay. So anyways, if you go to your hub, you have content suggestions, and you can create different categories. Now, to create the content, okay, for example, let's take this article right here, the future of bone conduction headphones. You put it here, you can choose how many sections you want. Create content outline, and from there, with the outline, you can research and rate your article. Okay, so here's the key takeaway. For affiliate marketing, you need to find a niche. You need to create a website around that niche. You need to create content for that niche. And you need to be patient for Google to index your articles. As Google indexes your articles and ranks them, you will begin gaining traffic. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you are consistent at it and do not give up, you can make full-time income. And the benefit of joining Wealthy Affiliate is that you get all these tools included with the price. Without getting Wealthy Affiliate, you need to pay for a keyword research tool. You need to pay for separate hosting. You need to pay for separate this and that. But Wealthy Affiliate is great for beginners because these tools are included all in one for the price. And you can cancel at any time. So if you want a great tool for beginners, I recommend Wealthy Affiliate. I hope you have success on your affiliate marketing journey. Have a good day.